blessed and honored. Like, this is what it means to have community. Some people have been here since day 0, and I cannot believe bingeable is actually a thing. But not only that, but thriving, and you guys inspire me. I just want to pour back into us.
Good morning. It's been a minute since I've vlogged. I have been low-key kind of busy. Oh, dirty. I've been low-key kind of busy. Lots of events, lots of meetings, lots of experiments, all of the things. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a New York City-based life and style content creator. If you're not, what's up? Welcome back. Today we are doing a little weekend reset video. I've been running around and my space, it's not messy, but it doesn't feel like together. Does that make sense? You know how like after a fresh clean, everything is in its place, everything looks spotless, and it just is like together? Yeah, it's not giving that. I do need to go into lab for a couple hours today, so I'm gonna do that. I like to do work earlier in the day. I just feel like I'm definitely 100% a morning person. No doubt in my mind. But first, I'm going to unpack my groceries. I just got back from Whole Foods, and I got a little haul. Got some stuff to make at dinner tonight, which will be delicious. So, I feel like I haven't done a grocery haul in a minute either, so let's like maybe get into that. A half loaf of sourdough. Oh, I got some flowers, which I'm really excited about. Just some tulips. They're like a pretty pink color. I haven't gotten flowers in a minute, so I was very excited to see these up front. Vinegar and baking soda. I've been loving these savory turkey breakfast sausage patties. They're pretty good. Sometimes the only thing sold out in that section, so whenever I see them and I'm in the grocery store, I'll buy a pack because they just go into the freezer. Siggy's lower sugar, vanilla yogurt. Love these for a snack. They are the moment. Green onions, which I like to put in a lot of things, to be honest. Some ground turkey for the turkey burgers. I like lettuce on my burgers, so I got some. I don't really know why I grabbed this. It just felt right. I'm the person that's going to pay for convenience. I just don't have accessory time to be pulling romaine apart and cleaning it. It's just easier to take it out of this bag and put it directly on my burger. I am who I am, okay? And then I got a ton of produce that I keep in my little public goods canvas little, what is this, pouch? What did we get? We got a red onion and a white onion. Who was texting me? Cute. I got this in a PR package a couple weeks ago. I actually think I showed it to you. And so I just put them in here. An avocado and a slicer tomato, both for the turkey burgers we're catching on. We've got 2 russet potatoes, and I'm gonna try a oven baked fry recipe. Apparently the secret is to soak them in water for 10 minutes, in cold water for 10 minutes before you put them in the oven and season them and things. So we're gonna try that. Okay. And that is the vibe. Cute. Happy Saturday. And I also am gonna like deep clean later, so it's gonna be a cute little clean with me video as well. Oh, I need to get my vase. Hello! It is many hours later, and I am in my bathroom, and I am in the deep clean section of the day, and I always like to start with the thing I want to do the least, because once that's done, it's really smooth sailing for the rest of the evening. And I don't love cleaning the bathroom. It's like I have to get on my full hands and knees, scrub the bottom of my shower, clean the toilet, clean the sink, clean all the things, you know? I am finishing off with replacing the trash bag in my mini trash can. So, yeah. But the bathroom is done. Let's move on. Hello! I've just been reading on my Kindle and sipping on this Waterloo Delicious. I'm going to make dinner now. Some turkey burgers, yeah. My lips are kind of dry. Okay. Lip gloss was got. But yes, we're gonna make turkey burgers. I'm actually gonna start with the fries. because I think it's gonna take me a little bit more time to prep, and then while those are in the oven, we'll make the burgers. That's the plan. I've been reading on my Kindle, which I do love, but I'm in like an ARC mode. I finished Wild and Wrangled. I don't know, it's the last book in the Blue Rebel Ranch series, which is like the cowboy romance novels. And I think this one was actually my favorite. It was definitely the most like romantic. Like it was very sweet. I was like, this is like, it tugged at the heartstrings, you know? So I finished that yesterday. I finished it very quickly too. That one was good. And then I'm reading the next 831 Stories novella that's coming out in April or May, one of the two. And it's called Set Piece. And I think I'm really gonna like it. It is about like an actor and a production designer. It's very cute. I'm also reading Wuthering Heights. That's like my nighttime book. So yeah, we're doing a lot of reading. We're also doing a lot of like watching of shows though, because we're doing Paradise, which just got renewed for season 2. Season 1 is rivaling like Scandal season 1, which is very hard to do. Scandal season 1 is quite literally perfection, no notes. Severance, of course, and White Lotus started last week, which is fun. Mike White is an icon. Okay, let's start on these fries. Oh, also, I did get Cowboy Carter tour tickets and I am so excited. But then I remembered that I need like a baller outfit. And I got stressed. Watch this space, okay? Let's cook. All right, there we have it. We've got our baked fries and our turkey burger. I just added some Gruyere cheese, onion, tomato, lettuce, ketchup. Yep. With a Coke Zero and the ketchup in question. And that is tonight's dinner. It took me about an hour, but honestly, because I was kind of goofing around. Let's grub. Dinner was very good. I've showered now and I'm doing a face mask and I'm actually kind of living the life because I'm also having a little aperitivo. My new like cocktail glass. And this is my ideal Saturday night. Face mask is Loops, which I love. Okay, 11 out of 10. They're my fave. They're 2 pieces, so they stay on really easily. But this one is supposed to be for like hydration, which really is kind of the cheat code. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for a couple more minutes and I'm currently watching Paradise, the new episode. So yeah, I don't think y'all understand. I'm living my best life right now. My upstairs neighbor is running around, but aside from that, I'm living my best life.
Answer me this.
I'm a Bose Quiet Comfort headphones girl. I've had these for like 5 years or so, and I've worn them so much and like to a point where they are like destroyed. And you know, the universe really is a fascinating place because Bose actually sent me a new pair. And that is wild to me. Like, thank you so much, Bose. These are the Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. Oh, I'm so excited. They're very similar to these, but the like band part is different. They still make this version, but I got the Ultras this time and I'm so excited. Thank you, Bose. You rule. Good morning, hello. It is now Sunday. I wanted to quickly end out this video. Thanks so much for watching. This was like a slower video for sure, but I don't know, sometimes I just feel like I need motivation for like cleaning and doing things around the house, which I hope that this was for you. I just got back from shooting some fun content for Athleta, which is fun. I also am wearing the Milk Makeup skin tint and I think it looks fantastic. I'm trying to figure out where to put my makeup content. I feel like I don't know if I'm gonna post on TikTok again. Unfortunately, like the vibes are off, you know? But I don't know if I should like put it on Instagram, shorts. I know some people have said do shorts because you're already following me here. I don't know if I should do like a beauty review series on Substack. I don't know what's speaking to me at the moment, but I do want to put it somewhere because I'm getting a lot of fun products and I want to be able to review them and let you know if they're worth it or not, because otherwise, what is the point, you know? I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you next week for a Week in My Life video. Very exciting. Happy Sunday. Have a great rest of your day. Whenever you're watching this, I will talk to you later. Bye.